Hello, I'm Paige, Daniel, and we got Winston here in the back. Woo! We're on our way to Manitou Springs to check out the springs in Manitou Springs.
Who'd have thought?
There are 8 naturally occurring carbonated, I believe, springs. We are starting with the 7-minute spring.
I have no idea why it's called the 7-minute spring.
I don't know.
Hopefully we'll find out.
Maybe.
Giant trail.
He's thirsty.
And let's see how the 7-minute springs water is. Well, it is minerally, it is mineral water, absolutely. It does have an alkaline, a mild alkaline kind of flavor to it. Yeah, that's tasty.
Are you gonna share with me?
Yeah.
Yes, it's nice. Cool and refreshing. Winston loves it.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. Let's walk around this little park a little bit, and then we'll move on to our next spring.
So apparently the Shoshone Spring has a bit of a higher salt content than some of the other springs. So let's see what we have. Yeah, and it's lightly carbonated this time. That's really good. Yeah.
Yeah, that's different. Not bad. Not bad at all. The gentleman who was here before us didn't like it. He poured it out. But I don't know. I think this is pretty good.
So this spring, the Shoshone Spring, has an extremely high concentration of manganese, about 3 times the recommended daily limit per liter for adult consumption. So manganese is not magnesium, so it does not give you the diarrhea or anything like that, but manganese apparently can interfere with the nervous system. So this is a novelty water source, not a primary drinking water source. Good to know.
All right, so we have visited 2 out of the 8 springs in Manitou Springs. Our next stop is going to be the Navajo Spring, right here. And we'll learn more about that one later. Different.
You said it was different.
It is. Why don't you try some, babe?
I'll give it a shot.
Winston?
Well, it's more carbonated than the last one. It's not as alkaline as the last one we just went to, but I think more than the first one we went to. So, yeah, interesting. They're only, 200 yards apart, completely different water.
All right, so now we're going to Cheyenne Spring. That is just down the road a bit. Should not be too far at all. Well, we just walked right by this one. Navajo Spring is just a little fountain in the middle of a very strange carnival
I would say so. Yeah, it's amusement park.
Let's see what this one tastes like. Slightly carbonated. You want to try it here?
Yeah. That one's good. That one's really good. I like that. It was thirsty. So we just found ourselves here. We have already partaken of that one. So now let's head on down the street, cross, and get to Stratton Spring. Let's boogie. That's not carbonated, I'm the whole. Alright, let's see what we have here. That's really good. That's nice and clean. The pressure there belies the carbonation, just not much.
I'm not a fan. So far, the 7-minute spring is my favorite.
I would agree. So thus far, Manitou Springs is freaking adorable. Like, this is like, when you think of like quiet.
Oh my god, it's so cute. I honestly wish that we had stayed here in Manitou Springs rather than Colorado Springs.
Yeah, this is like quintessential mountain town. I mean, yeah, it's a little touristy, but it is freaking adorable. So we're gonna have to come back here, explore a little bit more, I think.
All right, so next stop, we have gone to all of these. We're going to head over to the Twin Spring. Let's go. Made it to Twin Spring. This is so cute. We almost missed it. Still not crazy about it.
All right, Twin Springs, let's see how you are. No, sir, I don't like it. No, it's metallic. More metallic than alkaline. Oh, don't like it.
Daniel has much more of a sensitive palate than I do. So you can tell when he swishes and tastes everything, and I either say, I like this, or I don't like this.
It's a more practiced palate. So, I don't know. Sensitive, just maybe more practiced.
Okay. Look how nicely Winston's sitting. He's waiting for us to be done. And honestly, I'm a little tired of tasting mineral water.
Yeah, it's not nearly as fun as wine. We have we have 2 more springs in order to complete all the springs. One looks like it's out of town.
Well, it is a little further off the map, so we're probably going to drive there.
Yeah, there's no telling how far off the map it actually is.
Right.
But then we're going to head to Wheeler Spring, and that's back toward the car.
Where's Wheeler?
So we are here. We're going to go there.
Fabulous. Let's go. We made it to Wheeler Springs. This is actually a nice, cute little springs on the side of the sidewalk. And we're going to fill this up and see how it tastes. Still not crazy about it. And believe it or not, I drink mineral water a lot, but a lot of this mineral content's pretty high for me, so. Daniel, you want to try?
Yeah, let's give this a shot. Wheeler Springs. Cheers. Yeah, a little fizzy, mostly alkaline. Yeah, that doesn't knock my socks off. So 7 Mile is still the best so far. So we got last one we get to is Iron Springs. So see what that one's all about.
We're gonna have to drive there.
Yeah, we're not gonna flip it. Yep, to the car. Thanks.
What kind of water is that?
It's the spring water.
The spring water?
Yeah.
Yeah, have you tried it?
Oh,
No.
yes, it is.
Is it bad?
A lot of sulfur in this one. I'm not even gonna drink it. Yeah. No, that's a hard no.
It looks pretty.
Oh yeah,
Like it's a really neat display.
So it's built up right now.
So yeah, all of the springs thus far have definitely had a mineral quality to them, but really no smell. The one in the old sanitarium, however, was boiled eggs. Ooh.
Sulfur.
Yeah, that was like, I mean, I've been smelling them every time before I drink them, and the last time we were drinking out of one of the fountains, I was like, why do I keep smelling it? I don't know why I keep smelling it. I'm glad I smelled that one because that was horrid.
We even had to wash out the glass.
Yeah. So we came over to this spring here. I forget what it's called, just to wash out the bottle because it was bad. It looks like we are in a Manitou traffic jam.
Why is there a traffic jam?
Well, because this is a one-way road with parking on both sides. So if you are not at least an intermediate level parallel parker, it's going to be tough.
Alright, so it was $15 for us to park and just come and get a sip of water from the springs. Daniel parked in a place without paying while I run up and get some water. The gentleman at the springs said it tasted like rust, and someone else said it kind of tastes like blood. So exciting.
So Iron Springs, that definitely smells irony. It's blood. Oh God. That is Iron Springs. There's a reason. Wow, that's awful. That tastes like blood. Holy crap. Oh, I'm glad we stopped.
I'm glad we didn't pay $15 for parking.
Well, I think throughout the day we have discovered that the 7-minute springs is the only one really worth stopping at.
Yeah, that's one we prefer at least. But our go-to is still going to be Perrier and San Pellegrino.
Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this little jaunt through Manitou Springs. We did, even though some of the water was less than potable. We'll catch you guys next time. Bye.